Hello guys, how are you? This is the second time I'm playing this Temple Run, and it's the second version updated from the Temple Run. So this is the first game. Usually it contains some instructions. And the coins are not appeared yet. Yeah, and this is the general basic information. Even a kid knows this, even without any marks. And the coins started now. Oh, is that a coin? Yes, these are coins. Actually, Temple Run 2 is better when compared with Temple Run 1. Yeah, because it is still got updated. And the smoothness is good in this, and let us call them. Yeah, and if I am the only person to run, it's get bored. So let us see that monster running behind us for some time. Actually, I like that part. If there is any possibilities, yes, let us go. Oh shit. Let us call now that once again. Yeah. Yes, it's oh shit. And I even have tried the Temple Run 1, but it's not smooth as like this. This part is good even. And this is okay. Yeah, I like this part. And the logic in these games are pretty well, and I don't like that fire thing one. Even this entire game is just running and is not behind any logic. It's just for entertainment. Okay, let us see only in that way. And if it comes to logic or any other things, it get nothing. And I even have uploaded that Temple Run, the part 1 or the first version game even. You can get that video in my channel. Oh shit. Oh shit, what is that thing even? If anybody knows, let me know in the comment section. Maybe like any gift box. Yes, this is a gift one. And even I like this part. Oh man, I didn't see that.